Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Adobe Express paid plan, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall your Adobe Express paid plan, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Adobe Express website. Sign in to your Adobe account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the account settings. Look for the Plans and Payment section. Click on this option to view your current subscription details. Locate your Adobe Express paid plan in the list. Select the plan you wish to cancel. You should see a Cancel Plan option. Click on the Cancel Plan button. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm the cancellation. Review any information about your cancellation policy. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the cancellation. After cancellation, you will receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your email for this confirmation. That's it. You've successfully uninstalled your Adobe Express paid plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.